East Asia through Netflix. This is something that really excites me. Yes, it's challenging, but at the same time, it's also very rewarding. And with regards to yung isa naman, yung parang mas fulfilling, wala na mas fulfilling pa sa character ni Atoy. Kapag ako'y si Atoy, the master cutter or the tailor, para sa akin, it's very fulfilling because yung shop ni Atoy, si Mang Delphine's Tailoring, ay situated sa Baclaran. Napakagandang community ng Baclaran. Doon sa kami nagsushooting. In fact, doon lumaki si Direk Dominic Zapata.
Hindi naman ako masyadong lumaki.
Pero doon siya talaga hanggang ngayon nagsaserve sa simbahan sa Baclaran. So very familiar siya doon sa lugar niyon. And masaya kami na na-share niya sa amin yung community niyon. At makikita niyo later on in the series how fun, how colorful, and how full of character the place is. And much more if you get to meet the characters. Nandun sina Polo, Ravales, sina John Fair, sina Rio Locsin, sina Joey Marquez. Napakaraming mga makukulay na karakter na bumubuo nung Barangay Tabang Lupa. Yun kasi yung tawag namin doon sa series, yung Barangay Tabang Lupa. So para sa akin, very fulfilling siya kasi si Atoy as a character and as the tailor and as the master cutter, nakakasalamuhan niya lahat ng yung mga characters na ito. Bukod siyempre sa character ni Shena, sa character ni Max, ni Paolo, at saka ni Joe Berry. I get to, natatahi ko yung buhay nila in one way or another. And to me, that's very fulfilling kasi I get to experience these characters. I get to experience being with these characters. Nalalaman ko yung kwento nila. Nalalaman ko kung ano yung mahalaga sa buhay nila. In fact, kaya kami naging close dahil si Atoy ay mahilig tumulong sa mga nawawala. Hinahanap niya yung mga bagay at taong nawawala sa mga taong malapit sa kanya. So kaya naging close kami within the community.
Kuya Dong, konting salita pa rin, konting kwento pa rin, nakaka-excite at nakakabitin. Thank you so much, Kuya Dong. Next is for Miss Max, Kuya Pao, Miss Jo, and Shena. We're ecstatic to learn more about your roles in the Master Cutter. Please introduce the characters you're playing, and let's start with Miss Max.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being here today. We're so excited. I play Elaine. Isa siyang preschool teacher na nakatira sa isla. And she loves the simple life kasi galing siya sa very complicated na past. And pumunta siya sa isla to forget about everything. Doon niya nakilala si Atoy, played by Lindo. And they have this, they have something like pulling them together, this attraction because of what they've been through in the past. They have like this trauma bond, kumbaga. And I think that's why you get to see later on that they both don't trust each other and they're both keeping so many secrets from each other. And my character is actually very secretive here, so malalaman niya in a bit.
Next, Kuya Pao.
Ako dito ay di bumati kayo lahat eh. Kamusta po kayo? Salamat po sa pagpunta ng lahat dito. Ako po si Red Regalia, ang anak ng leader ng lahat ng kasamaan sa show. At mas gusto kong maging mas masama sa aking tatay na si Dimitri, played by Tito Tonton Gutierrez. Malaki ang galit ko kay Atoy because dahil siya yung nagtahi ng damit ni Max ngayon. At mali. Pero ako yung pinakamasamang kalaban ni Atoy because so, chinecheck ko lang po kung hindi po pwede i-spoil. So, basta malaki lang po yung galit ko kay Atoy kasi galit lang po ako sa mundo talaga. So, yan po ang aking asawa ko dito si Max Eigenman and I'm just the baddest human being in the show.
Thank you, Kuya Pao. Miss Jo?
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Ang character ko po dito ay si Ame, isang dating social worker na matututong dumiskarte sa kalye to survive. At ako din po yung magiging guardian ni Ibyang. At magiging katulong din ni Atoy sa ilan sa mga missions niya pag napunta na siya sa poder ni Atoy. At may konting crush din po siya kay Atoy.
Kabata-bata, ganyan ka? Ang batang to?
Thank you, Miss Jo. Shena, your turn.
Bianc is an 8-year-old street smart girl who has a sharp tongue. She is loyal and protective, especially towards her guardian Ate Ame. And she does odd jobs, petty thieves, scams, to make a living to it. And until her life changes when she meets Atoy, who becomes a reluctant father figure. Now she discovers what it means to be seen, to be safe, and to fight for her future.
You're so good, Shenna.
Itatagalog naman po niya, next. Tagalog.
Thank you, everyone. And with that, let's move to some questions from our friends in the media. First question is for Kuya Dong, and it's from JB News Online. What made you say yes to the Master Cutter, and how is it different from your other projects?
Well, I think there's no reason to say no if you are given such a beautiful project like this. Lalo na kasama mo ang napakahusay na cast. How I wish na na-meet nyo rin sila, sila Kuya Ton. We're such a huge cast. One of the biggest cast yata na nakakasama ko sa entire career ko. And of course, under the leadership of Direk Dominic. Pero at the heart of the story, more than the spectacle and more than the action scenes that you will be seeing, yung puso talaga ng kwento. And I think it's all about a modern family story. It's all about different types of relationships. And naka-relate ako dun dahil malakas din yung kwento dito about yung father-son story and yung father-daughter story. Kaya para sa akin, it's something that's very, very interesting.
Thank you, Kuya Dong. Next question is for Direk Dominic, and your question is from Bandera. Direk, how much research did you do for this story? And were there real-life stories or experiences from Baclaran that already felt so intense you didn't need to exaggerate them much anymore?
Thank you muna kay Dong kasi I'm sure there was so much pushback na gawin namin to sa Baclaran. And with good reason, because like if you shoot there in the morning, it's like every 10 minutes may dadaan na aeroplano, and that's not gonna work kapag when you're shooting, it's gonna be too noisy. Pero dahil lumalanding naman, mabilis na tatapos. Mabilis na nakakalanding, so you wait like 15 seconds and then wala na ulit yung sound. You have to be able to take within 5 minutes. But in terms of research, there wasn't really much research on my part. Pero kasi ito na ako that's my neighborhood, that's my province. Actually, my dad's province. Pero I would say, kwento ko lang muna. Merong character yun na Ma'am Delphine. Was an actual person. Doon ako nagpapatahe kay Ma'am Delphine. Not from Baclaran. Pero sastre siya, medyo ganun yung nature ng job niya. He was a master cutter. He used to work in Bergamo as a master cutter. Tapos ginagawa niya, nag-home service siya. Pupunta, susukatan ka, bibigyan ka ng swatches, pipili ka ng tela, tapos comes back after 10 days, first fitting, tapos kung okay na sa'yo yun, maybe a couple more days, tapos meron ka ng suit. And he was really good, but he's passed away since. Pero doon nagsimula yung inspiration. Sabi, okay, meron siyang access to all these people. So doon ang galing yun. So maybe that was the most basic research that I did. Pero in terms of researching about para sa buong show, I needed to I wouldn't call it research, pero siguro to figure out a way on how to do these action scenes with an action team that was totally kick-ass. Hats off to that team of Action 360, to our action director, si Direk Jonar Del Rosario. All of that we had to figure out. How do we do this given this limited time, limited budget? Pero I don't think personally, in my almost maybe 30 years of doing television, nakagawa kami ng action scene quite as big as the one we did in Master Cutter. And believe me, I've done quite a number of action scenes. Pero that opening scene, that's hard to top. So we did our research on that, and you know what? I usually say I hope we won't disappoint. I'll revise that for today, for this show. I'm sure we won't disappoint.
Thank you, Derek. We're sure you won't disappoint anyone. And next question is for Miss Max, and your question is from DJ Yokucha. Fans are already excited about chemistry on screen.
I think Elaine and Atoy have like a cat and mouse chemistry because we both don't trust people. So we don't even trust each other, and we like to kind of test each other's limits. So throughout the story, you'll see us like always testing each other, and it's fun though because I think that's why it's like people are drawn into it. I mean, maybe, hopefully you'll be drawn into it. Hopefully, mahook namin kayo. But that's our chemistry, very like the cat and mouse dynamic.
Thank you, Miss Max. Next question is for Kuya Pao, and your question is from Pao Canyamo. You've taken on so many roles since you started at a very young age. Are there still any dream roles you'd like to pursue as an actor?
Gusto kong bumalik sa pagka-child star, kaso hindi na pwede. No, as an actor, honestly, wala na masyado. But ang pangarap ko na lang talaga was hopefully by next year or 2 years time, I could start directing. And the goal is to direct Master Cutter 2. Second unit. Okay lang ako, second unit. Second unit muna ako. But seriously, I would love to start writing ng mas formal and directing.
Any projects in mind? May target ka na ba, Kuya Pao, na genre?
Anjo, madami project. Marami nakapangko yan.
Kuya Pao.
Nakikita nyo na lang.
Sali mo ako dyan. Thank you, Kuya Pao. Next question is for Miss Jo, and your question is from My Movie World. What drew you to this project, and how does your character contribute to the overall emotional core of this series?
Lagi ko naman pong sinasabi na I've always wanted to work with Kuya Dong. So, natupad yun dito sa The Master Cutter. And meron po kasing part ng story ni Ame na ipapakita po dun yung struggle ng little person na makahanap ng trabaho to the point na kahit hindi na parang nawawala na yung value nila, itinatanggap na lang nila for them to earn a living to support themselves and their families. So, meron pong parte na yun dun sa story. I think isa po yun sa pinakamalaking push ko nung nag-yes ako sa character ni Ame. And si Ame po kasi, umiikot lang talaga nung una yung buhay niya kay Ibiang kasi silang dalawa lang naman yung pamilya. So, nung napunta sila sa Tabang Lupa, dun po nagkaroon ng mas malaking chosen family. Doon niya naramdaman na pwede palang magkaroon ng pamilya kahit hindi mo sila katuto.
Thank you, Miss Jo.
I-add ko lang ang galing niya sa action scene niya. Meron talaga. Abangan niyo yan.
Malupit yan, malupit.
Ang lupit yung eksena ng
First
sobra.
time ko po yun.
Nakaka-excite. Kwentuhan mo ko, Miss Jo, sa action scene 1. Next question is for Shella, and your question is from When in Manila. What is something you want kids your age to learn from your character's bravery?
I admire the character of Ibiang, and I'd like to acknowledge the scriptwriters. Hello, my heart. They make sure that I'm already crying just reading my script. Like, I receive it, and tears are falling from my eyes. It makes me really cry. And I really feel Ibiang's hardship she's been going through, like for how she handles her feelings for longing for a family, to being patient to bullies, makes me cry. And I hope kids my age can use Ibiang's strategy. They have to watch out for her character slowly unfolds. Ibiang is a very interesting character.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Shella. You're so cute.
Si Shena lang pinapadala ng memo na English dapat yung sagot kasi Netflix tayo. Kailangan tayo
Para tayo wala mong pinag-aralan.
Parang nakakabobo. Hindi naman sa amin, Shena.
Moving on. This question is for everyone. Gusto ko nito. If you can have a double life like Atoy, what would be the other one? Let's start with Direk. Direk, ikaw una.
Dapat kasi sabi sa inyo, tinatanong nyo yung mga stuntman kasi double life talaga yun, double sa artista. Maybe a priest. A priest. That was, I wanted to be a priest when I was a kid. Pero parang mahirap i-negotiate yung yung vow of celibacy, so parang also for me. Pero other than that, okay na ako sa pare.
Thank you, Direk. Kuya Dong.
Ako, chef. Frustration ko yun, yung pagluluto. Sinasample ako naman sila sa bahay parati, pero parating palpa. So kaya yun ang gusto ko matutunan.
Anong favorite food nila na niluluto mo?
Scrambled eggs na kaya kong gawin. Pero, kaya kailangan medyo madagdagan naman ng konti yun.
Miss Max?
Spy. What is Spy? Have you watched, Red Sparrow with Jennifer Lawrence, diba? Like, I don't know, that's what made me want to be a spy because of that movie. Pero nakakapagod yung action, kailangan very, willing ka to, do crazy things, and I'm not, so that's why I would choose.
Kuya Pao?
Ako siguro parang gusto ko maging Shena. Parang nakakapag-English ako sa press call. Ang feeling ko yan ang goal. Ako gusto ko maging since laging tayo nasa Maynila, parang gusto ko maging bankero. Yung nasa island ka lang, mas laid back yung buhay. Para relax naman. Iba.
Miss Jo?
Ako po, gusto ko talaga maging lawyer kasi childhood dream ko din.
Shena?
Ako po, gusto ko po maging part-time doctor. So, morning, artista. Paggabi po, part-time doctor. So, tinawagan ako, meron ka akong taping. Sabi ko, hello, may pasyente ka na po. Sabi ko, ay sorry na ako. Pwede na lang maging absent na lang ako.
Walang kwenta. Hindi maaasahang doktor.
Thank you so much for your insightful answers at sobrang kwela nun. And thank you to everyone who sent in questions for today's press conference. Every playing on Netflix starting tomorrow, May 8 po yan, 72 hours before it airs on GMA. This exciting series will not only be available in the Philippines, but syempre across Southeast Asia. But because we know you're just as excited as we are, Netflix couldn't leave you hanging. Everyone, here's an exclusive sneak peek clip of episode 1. But before we begin, we'd like to ask everybody to please put away your phones, cameras, and other recording devices for the entirety of this video. Recording or live streaming is strictly
2 full days, pero hindi pa rin yata naubos in 2 full days. I think the more relevant question is, ilang araw na budget yung ginamit namin para sa dalawang araw na
budget reveal direct.
Diba? Yun yung boss namin, yung program manager namin, si Sir Dennis Ventura.
Umiiyak siya, nakita ko umiiyak.
Yeah, we just wanted to give credit where credit is due. Yung mga magic naman na gagawa namin, hindi naman mabubuo yan kung hindi kami tinutulungan ng staff. They're the unsung heroes, really. Sila yung bumuo nito. Of course, our writers, I can't just think about these things. Nakasulat naman rin. And of course, pati yung yung action team na nakakapag-isip ng ganyan. And oo nga pala, we really don't get to give credit dun sa people who support us. Yung pag-uwi namin, pagtapos ng taping, our families who support us, we'll never take that for granted. Asawa, anak, your parents. Ano yung sasabi?
Okay lang direct, basta ikaw. Kuya Dong, the first open, you may now invite everyone to watch the Master Cutter.
Yes, noong sinabi sa amin originally, may possibility na maipalabas din ito sa Netflix. Sobrang na-excite kami. In fact, we kept it for a while kasi hanggang hindi pa na-announce. At nung sinabi sa amin, wow, at least namin mas marami pang makakapanood in a different platform than aside from just the free television. Pero nung sinabi sa amin na sa Southeast Asia, siya ipapalabas. Kanina ko lang din alam, mas grabe po yung aming tuwa at saya. Kaya we're just excited to share what we have, not just here in the Philippines, but also to our neighboring countries. Para mapakita rin natin kung ano yung meron tayo, di ba? Culturally, kasi siguro yung tema ng Master Cutter, merong mga Master Cutter sa bawat bansa. Pero yung kultura behind the Master Cutter, that's something that we also want to share. Having Baclaran as a backdrop and having the different relationships through the characters that will be in the show. That's something that we're very, very excited about. So the Master Cutter will start airing, will start streaming tomorrow, the whole of Southeast Asia. So yun na po.
And there you have it. A round of applause, please, for the Master Cutter and everyone. Thank you again for joining us today. Balancing a double life, the Master Cutter navigates a world where danger is never far and where every decision leaves a mark. Atoy may appear to live a simple life as a tailor, but beneath that calm exterior is a former Scout Ranger with a past that still calls him back into action. Paalala lang po muli, The Master Cutter will launch on Netflix on May 8, 72 hours before it airs on Free TV. Once again, thank you to our incredible cast and director, and of course, our friends from the media for being part of this event. Once again, I'm your host, Angel Bergera. Until next time, at maraming salamat po.